Okay, so we've taken our Lego Technic Age 10 Up Space. It was called something else. Planet Earth and Moon in Orbit. Thinking of sherbet ice cream. We've got that open. We got to the instructions. I have a friend here to help me out. I never done a Lego set. It's like just a lot of little pieces. I don't know why they don't just sell it to you all put together, but I'm not part of the Lego generation, I guess. All right, so here we go. Are we on step one? Okay.
Yep, we're on step one.
All right.
One.
So do I look for bag one? Is that what I do? Are we looking at bag one?
Okay.
Can I open it?
Yes, open
And do I have
bag
to
one.
make sure I don't ruin the bag?
No, just
Oh, it's gonna be too much for me. Aha! Okay, now what do I do?
all right. We need to find that piece.
Oh, tell me what that piece is. So,
Oh, it looks like that.
this blue?
Yeah.
There's nothing blue in here.
No, it's not blue. It's gray.
Okay. This?
I don't think that's it. No, I don't think that's it. No, maybe it is. Maybe it is that.
Okay, so it's especially with two pieces here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you need a black and a gray.
Yeah, but I don't think that's what that is.
Okay, we're not gonna make it very far.
It,
It's black. Should we line them up?
that's more.
We need to get the table together better. Is it stuck in there? First lost piece. Where's yellow? Do you see it? It's way out here. Got it?
You're right out.
Okay.
Now you gotta slide that together.
Okay.
Okay.
How about if we go looking for piece number 2? Would that help us? We go on to the second step. Don't open that one yet.
What is it?
It came out of that bag, but I think we should wait.
It's the bag in the bag.
Does it show a bag in a bag?
I think that's that bag.
So we need to open that for step 1.
All right, and we need
Can we
these.
Can we call one of our kids and ask them?
No. Okay, we need that.
We're gonna look ahead.
Plus, we need a 4 brick. Okay, here we go.
I think
Everyone, everyone.
I'm
And we need.
Well, anyway, so we're going to be working on this for a while. We'll probably shut it off and maybe get back to you when we get step 1 done. Sound good?
Sure.
Is that page 1?
Yeah.
Okay, we're about to turn to page 2. There you go.
I need.
I have not put a single piece together yet. Can I put these 2 together when it's time?
Yeah. When it's time.
When it's time. Can I use? Can all the fun parts? The
Wait
what?
a second. I need one of these wheels.
So we made postcards to send out on the day of the eclipse, and I talked to my local postal person, and she's going to hand stamp it so it will have our nearest city to us. And we did that at the 2017 eclipse as well. It's kind of a fun reminder.
How do I tell which one of these blue things this is? I'm on page 12
Ooh.
of a lot.
What are we turning to now?
14.
Page 14. Okay. Page Okay.
60.
Page 16. Can we see what you've made so far in those 16 pages? Okay. Very nice. And do you want to see show the gadget you have? And what's found on the, okay. I'm about to turn the page again. And we have a helper.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, wait. I think. No. I gotta get. Oh, I need 3.
Oh.
Okay. There's a certain amount of movement.
Ah, okay.
Maybe I've done it right. No, this one's right. With me. Okay.
Yeah.
There's so much going on here. So let's see. Okay, this piece goes here. Kind of. A little bit. Okay.
Oh, good kitty.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. Page 50. And now I'm on page 52.
Are you finding some parts harder than others, or is it?
It's just hard to see. Kids have better eyes, I think.
Can you tilt it this way? There, what's turning?
The center post.
Ah,
Okay.
nice.
Yeah. All right, next page. But, oh, here. That goes. I missed where this one went on. Okay, so this goes here. Now this goes. Oh, I have to go one for the other side too. Okay. Ah, there, easy.
Okay, we're at the sticker step.
So they say the months of the year. Egg 3, dump it out.
It says to dump it out.
It shows dumping it out.
Oh, funny.
This. Oops. Oh, we have it ready. Hold on. No, that's it.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That looks like the orange one. That's what we do.
D. U? Or D? I don't know.
B.
Okay. All right. Okay. Ah. Ooh, it's getting there. It's getting there.
Oh, she dropped it over the box. Let's put it back up. One yet? Ah. A little small.
It does. It's just the gear ratio is so low. Of course, it's for months of the year.
Are you finished?
So you see, it ticks every once in a while.
You have pieces left.
It's moving really slowly.
Is it supposed to?
Yeah.
Figure it out.
thing with you. Look in the description below. Will be a link to, and then you discover what's in the rest of the post. Okay. I'm getting pretty close here. Oh, man, I can't tell. Sure.
Oh.
Okay. All right.
Neat.
There we go.
We finished! Actually, I didn't do any of it. Because we'd still be here in 10 years.
All right, so yeah, it works for the most part. It's supposed to go around, and I missed a gear somewhere. So I have an extra part. So I'll have to figure out where in this thing this should have been. Because this is also supposed to go around. So I'll have to correct that. But we may even just wait till the grandkids get here to fix that. But there you go. It's a really cool little model.
We have 5 days before the eclipse, and I'm sure we can get it right.
But it's neat.
We would recommend this.
Yeah.
Educational.
That's right. And if you have a 10-year-old with you putting it together, helping you put it together, I'm sure it'll go even better.
There's more than just one
Yes.
piece missing, just so you know. I'm sure they just put extras in.
Yeah, it's probably extras.